aka Banana Balance, aka Superstar, Inside J.O. not forget. And last but not least, the unstoppable Inside Queen, the one I'm fucking only. What do you know? Big Mama Class. Ice Cream Kingdom! Johnny come in, Junior, Johnny come on! Human knows where time by the marshal. Everything was done up right to me. Hey, you see the pre? That's why every day for OG. Just like the girls and the each in a dream. I shoot for it up on me. Every time I see and cheer me up, that's why I try. Every time I cause God always I listen. Cheer me up, that's why I try. I'm like this, I'm a good girl. I smell nice. I smell good. They go down to some mama name. What on my chocolate man? What am I doing? I know you see this papa. Yeah. Alright. Cause my friend, cause we were coming. If I be a friend, cause my one bar heavy. We have a line that right there. We there. I want to see some slackness. This is the next time I'm gonna perform. It's like one of my older songs then. But if you're an harmonies for some cool, you ever sing harmonies for some cool sex? Yeah, you're coming up here now. Some good mama, you know. I got many things on like this now. First time I saw it was and it was not a mistake. Mickey and to serve you. Next song I'm going to perform. And if you don't know the song I'm going to perform, but then music. You know?
You want to do something?
I don't want to do it. Now take you for granted. I want to do it. In your eyes, when we say right now, I'm so my demons in my soul. But I'm a grown man, skin right up. First the cocaine, I'm a trouble. I'm a demon. Complain. Some here, real up here, fucking off and drop asleep at night time. Not even a local wrong tree, no nothing. I would don't like that. No man, who I feel pleased to know. I don't want to music, I want this. And I got them sing song like
Consequence, we can't get you to come back to the States, right? So understand, we have to do it a little different.
You know what?
So when I say different, I mean songs like this. Somebody sing. I'm in love with you. I've been waiting just to see you. Yes, I got to be happy about it. Wanna give me a V? Can you give me a V? Want to know? Give me a little cute bend over stuff. Fuck that. If underneath you don't stink, what's a little cute bend over stuff? I'm going to look from the boy. Or the girl. I say, see, what's it like that? You have to find that, when I tell you that. So if you keep that with you, I'll take them. Why you need to? Ice cream kingdom. Listen here for ice cream Sunday. What? People say like that. You have to find that, when I tell you that. So if you keep that with you, I'll take them. Why you need to? Every time I walk, the kids get busy. I'm going to
But the shame, I like all my moves. My niggas ain't got nothing on them. I'm a shot, I'm a what you tell me?
We say I'm a crew. We can't just. I'm a me and you, man. You know, come back like that. People say hi, what is it? Exactly. It's gonna happen. I'm never coming.
I want to start sure. Alright, please,
Somebody could have won it. Don't send that text when you're high, 'cause you quite ready in mind. China, what a feel so special. You want to find another place. It's like this boyfriend. So I'm not your lady. It's complicated. I'm not your baby. Somebody could have. I love you guys. Thank you.